Aizawl, Mizoram's capital, was linked to India's railway network a few days ago. The railway arrived 38 years after Mizoram's statehood and 78 years after India's independence. The Bairabi-Sairang railway line is a 51.38 km broad gauge track. It is built through some of India's most challenging terrain. The route spans from Bairabi on the Assam-Mizoram border to Sairang, just 20 kilometers from Aizawl. On the way, it crosses dense forests, valleys, deep gorges, rugged hills, and includes dozens of bridges and tunnels. Before this line, road travel between Aizawl and Guwahati took roughly 24 hours. Now, by train, the journey time drops to 12 hours. The cost of the project? Just over Rs 8,000 crore. New train services were also flagged off as the line became operational. A Rajdhani Express connecting Sairang to Delhi and other express routes linking Mizoram with major cities in the northeast. For people in Mizoram, it opens a path to the rest of India in ways that were distant before.